Guys, so here we are. We got a Honda Accord 06. We're about to do an oil change. So first things first, gotta go and buy your oil, 5W20. Right here we got the oil filter. This is the oil filter for 06 Honda Accord. And again, the oil, 5W20 Honda Accord 06. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna want to jack up the car. Right here, it has a jack block. You can see it, and then you put the jack stand in between that, and then jack it up. Alright, also I forgot to mention, you want a jack stand for safety. You also want an oil catch so it can catch the oil, and this is an oil wrench to take off the oil filter. Sometimes you could just take it off by a hand, but some people over tighten it, so this comes in clutch. Alright guys, you also need a ratchet wrench, and for this car the socket size is a 17 for the oil pan. Alright, so over here is on top of the car. You go straight down. This is the right side of the car, or left, however you want to think about it. You go straight back here. So again, the front of the car, down, straight, and then it's a bolt right here, that bolt. Alright, you put your socket, and then you just start turning it. And after you start turning it, you want to make sure you put your oil catch right there. Just untwist it, and then after that you should see oil going straight into the oil catch. And then back on top of the car, you're going to want to open over here and just open it like that, and that should allow airflow for the oil to drain faster. Alright, after waiting about 8 minutes, all the oil has been drained, and your bolt will be right there if it fell. Alright, so we ended up moving the jack to this side. So this is the front of the car. We moved the jack, and right here you should be able to see the oil filter. It's that right there. So you have to either go under here, or you could put your hand right here and try to twist off the oil filter. Alright guys, so in case the oil filter is difficult, what you want to do is you want to grab this tool, and for example the oil filter is this. You want to put this, grab your finger, tighten it. You want to pull it, and then you just lefty loosey like that, and then it should pop out. Alright, so the oil filter's right there. Put your hand, and you start twisting it off like that. Right there. I am now going to install it from under, so I can also show you that way. So you're gonna go under, and you're gonna try and see. All right, so it's a gap right here, and here, let me turn my camera around. me see. Why can't I see it? Is it because something's in my way or something? Oh, yep. That right there. That's where you want to go. So you go up this hole and you want to go up and put the filter on that and start turning. Nope, like that. And only tighten it by hand. And that's it. You put it on. Alright, and then you just put the a bolt back in and tighten it by hand. And then if you want, you could grab the ratchet and tighten it a tiny bit just to make sure. Yeah, it should be enough. Yeah. Alright, then you grab your oil, and it takes a 4.4 quarts.
That's fine.
Then we'll be adding it up. Alright, YouTube, so it turns out that Harvey doesn't have a funnel. So an easy and simple way is you just grab a water bottle, put scissors, cut across like that. Easy funnel. And then Harvey, if you can show them, you just put the funnel right there. Easy funnel. Alright, so you just add the oil, and then this is a total of 5, so it should be around right here when it's full, but I'll show you how to check. Right then, so to just check the oil, you just go right here and it should be halfway. So as I can see, it is halfway, but I'll make sure to wipe it, and we will check again just to double check. And yep, it's halfway. You can't see it on camera, but I can see it. It's halfway. And after that, you just take off your funnel that you made, put your cap, and you're all set. Alright, and if you have like a gallon of a milk or something, empty it out and put all of the oil in, and you too can drop it off to your nearest like AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, anything that sells car parts, and they will take it for free. So be safe, and here's a helpful tip. Alright, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And we have finished the oil change on a 2006 Honda Accord.